Attack of the Killer Stuffed Animals.
Okay, I want to have some.
Yeah, revenge, you know the Scott's dining room?
Yeah.
Starting corner?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I have a game too. Okay, yeah. Oops.
Okay. Let's watch some TV.
Why are Hershey's Kisses so far?
Sit down. Come on! Bring this sucker down here.
Remember us again, you little kids.
We have to find out what killing those kids, man.
Yeah, let's go.
Gun loaded?
Yeah. Okay.
Never mess with us. We are the Killer Stuffed Animals.
With the LAPD, we gotta find out what killed the police.
Who did? What did?
The PD thinks they can beat us with the bomb. Well, take this. Live 10 news with the killing of 2 policemen and 2 children. We have to find out who the killers are. Where are they at? No! Man, we're the stuffed animals who kill all the people. We do not want any visitors down here. Whoever comes, the trespassers, they will die. So you better not come down here, but this will be your final resting place. F and HB played as the 2 children who died, the 2 policemen who died, the 2 LAP men who died, and the 2 police people who were guarding the cameraman. They also were controlling the animals behind the couch. They did a great job. Let's give them a round of applause. The animals, there was Arnold Schwarzenegger as the voice of Big Bad Bear. As Little Tigger, there was the voice of the original Tigger from Winnie Pooh. As the moose, there was Tom Cruise. As the little bitty doggy, we had Snoop Doggy Dogg. As the big doggy, we had Mace. As the other little doggy, we had Blackstreet. As that big monster guy from Space Jam, the original Space Jam voice. That little guy is the Reptar from the Rugrats. And this little moose slipper guy, well, he didn't do much. And that big Clifford dog right there is Jack. We're not sure his last name, but these guys all did a good job, so let's give them a round of applause. We hope you enjoyed the movie. Now please, single-filely leave the theater and go to the nearest exit sign to you.